it is not a bad thing to relieve people of their task, especially when we see that they find it difficult to perform that duty or to deliver awesomely, or when the office is being used for another thing that is different from what it is meant for. So last week, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu took some bold step by removing some people from their office and replacing them with another people. It's a good thing, but nǹkan tó wà important jù, the most important thing there is the new people that are coming, are they far better than those that we are removing? That's the point there. So let me read. Senator Ali Ndume has told the newly appointed Minister of Humanitarian Affairs and Poverty Reduction, Nentawe Jiwada. I say I'm pronounced, Abi. Manager, we are not from the same community. To remember the circumstances that led to the removal of his predecessor, Better Edu. Okay, maybe she has been removed to go and get better education so as to know how to manage public fund or whatever. I don't know. But I think Better Edu is shortened from better education, whatever. Please subscribe to Akko TV so that you can watch more of my videos. Please. So, our ministry in Nigeria, but I think one of the crucial, the focal points that is seen to people's wellness, like humanitarian affairs and poverty reduction. When humanity, the affairs of human in a geographical place or in a nation is well managed, there will be relief. People will be okay, they will be fine. And once people are happy, they are living happily, there will be progress in that community or in that nation. And also, when poverty is drastically reduced to zero level, I think this is the main reason we are having governments now. This is the major reason Tavin appoint àwọn èèyàn go and be our leader so that we can be relieved. No any nation that will be happy living in poverty. Nobody can come outside and be celebrating poverty. It's not done. So, Edu, who was suspended earlier this year, can you imagine? This woman has been suspended before. Was eventually removed from office over alleged financial misappropriation. Can you imagine? So, we need some people of substance, people of high intellect, people that can see public fund like this. I will not be doing. We need someone that can manage funds, that know how to lead people, how to take care of people's affairs. Because once the poverty, because that ministry, there's level amount of allocation that will be going there because of the task given to them, because of their job, what they are handling. So if you are putting thief or people that don't have conscience, they will just go there, embezzle, misappropriate the fund, mismanage the fund, then you will continue to have problem. So I think we should calm down and give the this administration some months to see if there will be changes. So ẹ ti lé àwọn kan dànù sí, because gbogbo àwọn tó ti ń lé dànù yìí tó ń lọ yìí, ẹ̀sùn tó pọ̀ jù ẹ̀sùn tó pọ̀ jù tó ń kà sí wọn lọ́rùn náà ni pé wọ́n mismanage fund, wọ́n kówó jẹ, wọ́n jí owó ìlú. Ẹ̀sùn yẹn náà ló pọ̀ jù. So we hope and expect him, this the new appointee, that's Nnentawe Yiwada, we expect him to perform awesomely with his experience as a registered engineer. And I learned he has been in an office before. I think INEC commissioner. I think President Muhammad Buhari appointed him as INEC commissioner then. So before last week, that he was now appointed by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to assume that office. So that is to replace the Better Edu. But the funniest part of this thing is, Sadiya Farouk was also replaced by this Better Edu, and also she has also faced scrutiny. She has also been scrutinized over alleged financial. So it simply means those people who have been going to that office, how come mismanage owó ìlú ni? Look at Sadiya Farouk. Look at this Better Edu now. The same case. So we need someone of intellectual value, someone that can manage funds. Don't say only. We don't need Barao. We don't need only in that ministry. So that's why they need to be well screened and checked before they give them that opportunity. I think that way it will surely help us, because once poverty is eradicated or reduced to some level, we'll be fine. So I commend Senator Ali for reminding this new nominee to remember the way what brought the removal of his predecessor. So thank you for watching Accord TV. I appreciate you. God bless you. Cheers.